In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Replit AI web app into an IPA file so you can upload it to the App Store. Open up Replit, click on Apps, and then select the app which you want to convert. I will do this app as an example. You will need to click on Publish or Republish here and get the domain or URL for your app. Once you have gotten your URL, you will go to this website, median.co. This is going to turn your app into a native app, and we just want to paste the URL right here and click on Build Your App. It is then going to ask for your app's name, so I will do Test App, just as an example, and we will click on Start Building My App. From here, if we click on Simulator, it is going to expand this menu and it is going to show us the progress for iPhone. So we will need the progress for iPhone for our IPA file. And once this is complete, you will click on Build and download from the left hand side. Now, right here, we're just going to collapse this menu and you will see Configure Signing. Click on Configure Signing and you will have the options of certificate and provisioning profile. You can generate via API or upload it manually, and you can connect your Median organization to your Apple developer account via API. So in order to get your IPA file, you will need to have an Apple developer account. And you will just click on Manage Connection here and link your stuff. Afterwards, you will click on Generate, and this is going to enable the IPA file. Afterwards, you will need to select Build, like I'm doing here for Android, after you have connected your account and authorized it. And this is going to begin building the IPA file. And once it has completed building, it is going to let you download it. And I'm just going to prove that. I'm going to wait for this APK file to build. It is going to be the same progress or process for you as well after you have configured your signing. And you can just click on Download for your IPA file and you will download the IPA file from this field. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.